India always worships sacrifice, they never worship power. What percentage of India buy online today? आप हमेशा मार्केटिंग चार्ट लोगों के लिए करते हो. We are not here to earn profit. We are here to add value to the ecosystem. So I'll tell you one story. How we position ourselves. So हमारे ऑफिस में एक वॉल है, उस पर लिखा है वी विल बी इंडियाज ग्रेटेस्ट D2C इकोसिस्टम. तो उसमें एक वर्ड है ग्रेटेस्ट. आई एक्सप्लेन दैट वर्ड इन अ वेरी वेरी डिटेल्ड मैनर. What is the difference between best and greatest? So I ask them, they give their answers. So best is something which can be replaced, but greatest is always greatest. Like there will be a best cricketer like Kohli, somebody else will come, somebody else, but greatest will always be Sachin Tendulkar, greatest of all time. So we don't want to be the best, we want to be the greatest. And there is also a difference in a best and a great is adding value. So great companies add value, best company earns profit. We are not here to earn profit. We are here to add value to the ecosystem, and that's something very very important. Because we want to be the Tatas of the world, not the Reliance. That's my personal belief. So Reliance as a space, they are great profitable company. Everything is good, but the value that Tata hold is something next level. So India operates like this, जैसे let's go far पीछे. So Ram and Ravan की बात करते हैं. Like we all know, Ravan was richer. He was a bigger bhakt of Lord Shiva. ज़्यादा दानवी थे वो. Everything was more. Only Ramji was only one thing better, was sacrifice. He was always a great sacrificer in terms of many things. So India always worships sacrifice. They never worship power. And same as Tata and Reliance. Nobody will worship power. They'll always worship sacrifices. So that's how we also want to go ahead. Power is something that we are not want to showcase. Sacrifices and value adding is something that we stand, and our decisions also are made on that grounds only. So when we have our core meeting happen, so the decisions we take for long term, the decisions we take for management, the decisions we take for brands is always on a core belief. अगर आपको core belief नहीं है ना, सो हर मैनेजमेंट पर्सन का अपना अलग माइंडसेट होगा और वो अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जा रहा होगा. सो दैट फाइनल कोर वैल्यू जिससे सब लोग मिलके उस वैल्यू के लिए काम करें इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और उसके लिए ये सब चीज़ें रेगुलरली डिस्कस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऐसे नहीं है साल में एक बार बात करी और ख़त्म. सो इफ एनी ऑफ द फाउंडर्स इज लुकिंग एट दिस, दे शुड डेफिनेटली नो दिस. आप हमेशा मार्केटिंग चार्ट लोगों के लिए करते हो. फर्स्ट इज योर एम्प्लॉय. अपनी टीम के लिए आप सबसे पहले मार्केटिंग करोगे. until unless they don't feel valued and they're working in a brandable space, they won't work. Second marketing you do is for your investor. Third marketing you do is for your vendors. Fourth and the most important you do is for your customers. Okay, and whenever you talk to them, have a conversations with them, you need to have a very strong brand positioning and story that people will relate to. Whenever I do induction for any of my teammates, so there are few things that we tell. So for example, I ask them, what percentage of India buy online today? So they ended up saying 30%, 50%, some say 60%. So ideally it is only 8%. 8% of India consumes products online. So that then they become really surprised. What? And in USA that percentage is 35%. So then we tell them ki India is in a space where this 8% will go to 35%, and obviously when the industry will increase, the space that we are sitting into will also increase, and then they feel that they are working in a space and they are working on a profession that will go extremely high, and they feel that I want to work here. SAR induction I take myself personally, so that has been inserted in people. I take मंथली टाउन हॉल जिसमें हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. मैंने रिसेंटली टाउन हॉल पे वीडियो भी डाला था. सो आई थिंक ये सब चीज़ें बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट प्ले करती हैं, और ये कहानियाँ, ये स्टोरीज़, ये विजन एक कंपनी को कंपनी बनाती है.